Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That is, if everyone is this guy right here. If you're not, then welcome to the channel. I wanted to make this video just to talk about this project that I'm going to be going on. This is more of just to document my progress, so I have like an understanding of where I came from before. A little background on the idea of this. I just finished my Spotify media player project where, you know, it was a Spotify media player. I was just able to control my Spotify playlist. I could choose my song, I could skip, and it was basically just to have like a display of what my current song is. And after that project, I just wanted to try out something new, so I decided to go with something where I could manipulate accounts. That sounds really stupid. Where I could manage accounts, use a database, and shit like that. And I wanted something that I could bring with me to college because I just graduated high school, and I figured I'd want like an actual tool I could use going into college. So I was thinking, and I kind of landed on the idea of a note-taking app, but I really hate taking digital notes. Like I can't stand typing shit. Like I won't remember stuff like that. I also can't afford an iPad or any like digital note-taking thing. So I've just decided that I'm gonna try to make an app utilizing AI where you can write your notes on paper, take a picture of it, and hope and have it like scan what your text is and have it in like a digital notebook. And maybe you could trade your notebooks with friends and stuff, and like have some sort of like community like system where you could exchange notes with friends, maybe classmates and stuff like that. So that's like the overall idea of my project. We're just gonna ignore all of the apps that have done that before me because it wouldn't be as cool of an idea if I did. So let me talk about some of the benefits to this project, or some of the reasons I at least chose to pursue it. So one, it's gonna have me working with OCR, which is just the type of AI that recognizes objects, text, and stuff, just so I can have some experience with that type of stuff in my field. So it'll look good on my GitHub, I guess. I also wanted to use React Native because I want to make this a mobile app, but I also want to have a web version of it. So my last project, I mainly just used React, but in this project, I want to see if I can at least make a mobile version of it too. Even just a good UI for the mobile version of it, even if it remains a website. So that's another reason. I also want to utilize a Postgres database that isn't just like a one hosted on Render. I want to try using a tool like Supabase or something like that. I feel like that'd be kind of fun to use. And for the account system, I also just want to understand how accounts would work with having these different notebooks and how exchanging them would work. Maybe have like some books that are private, some books that are public, so you could trade with your friends, but you also have like some personal ones. Maybe you could use it as like a diary or some shit. I don't know, but just something cool to keep it like interesting to me at least. That's really it. So I'm gonna show you guys some progress I made today, and I'm probably gonna do these once a week just so I have something to look forward to because I've been running out of ideas even though this channel just started. So hopefully this will keep me on track with making something. I want to at least make 2 videos a week, so this will take care of one of them for now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So this is what I have for the project so far. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the two test images I had earlier, and I'll show you guys how this whole thing works. So let me just cd into the server, and then I'm going to start the virtual environment. Oh. Okay, and then python main.py. So a little background on how all this works is I'm actually using the Google OCR, which is like a super complicated process on how to get set up, or maybe for me, maybe I'm just an idiot, but you guys will, if you want to replicate this, you'll probably have a much easier time than I did. There's hella tutorials out there. I'm just really bad at following directions. It opened in another window. Here you go. So here's what I have so far. I'm going to make, this is not going to run on Flask. Hopefully I'll have a React UI soon. But basically how it goes is you upload your image. Nothing happens here, but when you come back to the VS Code, you see my original image, which is just a notebook I have for when I practice coding. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I retain information. That's kind of what this has to do with. And then here is the translated page. You could see it has some it's not the best, but like it's honestly pretty good. You can see def user greet print hello, def greet user hello. If you want to ignore my words, passing through a function, you have this whole little paragraph right here, and it's all right here. So honestly, once I figure out how to format this into a page, I think this is kind of the main loop of the app done. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to follow along and